7 mechanism and articulation exercises with the oboe based on the scale of C major. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas and today I bring you mechanism and articulation exercises with the oboe based on the C major scale. Exercise number 1. C major scale, ascending and descending with half notes legato at 60 beats per minute. Exercise number 2. Ascending and descending C major scale with half notes portato at 60 beats per minute. Exercise number 3. Mechanism exercise in C major with quarter notes legato, ascending and descending, starting from each note that conforms the scale. Exercise number 4. Mechanism exercise in C major with quarter notes portato, ascending and descending, beginning from each note of the scale. Exercise number 5. A scale of C major in quarter notes staccato, ascending and descending. Exercise number 6. Scale of C major in staccato with the rhythm of dotted quaver note, semiquaver, ascending and descending. Exercise number 7. A scale of C major in staccato to the rhythm of semiquaver, dotted quaver note, ascending and descending. That was all for today. You can find more exercises and tutorials in the YouTube channel MusicBaysie Oboe, and in the website where you could find all the digital content, and also you have the opportunity to subscribe to the newsletter to be aware of all the news. Don't forget to visit my social networks like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In the online educational platform, you can find information about how to get personalized oboe lessons. And also you can contact me by email at mail@musicbaysie.com. Also, if you like the content I'm creating in MusicBaysie and you want to support my project with a monthly donation starting at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, MusicBaysie Oboe, where you could find all the information. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Bye!